In the next section, we are going to see don't cares again by using 4-variable maps. And we'll start directly by the example. So the midterms are given and the don't care conditions are given with the D, A, B, C, D, and the midterms which are going to be don't cares. So let's draw the map. So A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now we have got midterm 1, midterm 3, midterm 7, midterm 11, and midterm 15. These are all ones as it is given. Then 0, 2, and 5, midterm 0, midterm 2, and midterm 5 are going to be don't cares. They can either be ones or zeros. And the rest are going to be zeros. Okay, now in order to find both sum of product and products of sum, let's start with SOP. Now for SOP, I can see this one directly that can be combined. And this is going to be CD. Also, I can have, as I have got 1 over here, I can combine these 4 of those together. Okay, so when I combine 4 of those together, as X can be assumed as 1, it's A prime and it's D. So SOP is F equals CD or A prime D. Then POS, which is F prime, where we need to look at zeros, I can have these sides, which will be AB is changing, it's just D prime. And I also have these 4 over here, which A is 1 and it is C prime. So I can say that this is D prime or AC prime, and F prime prime De Morgan of that we will end up with F with D A prime plus C, and that's it. So don't cares, similar to the other ones. You just make sure that when you look at it, you have to decide which ones are going to be ones, which ones are going to be zeros. Okay, and in this course, the maximum number of variables that you are going to get is 5-variable K-map. You're not going to see 6, but if you understand 3-variable, 4-variable, and 5-variable, you can actually do a 6th one as well, which I don't really ask them in the exams or in the homeworks. Now, 5-variable K-maps, as we have got 5 variables, we need 32 squares because we have got 32 possible combinations. So how are we deriving that? We are not having a larger squares over there with 32 squares in it. Rather than having that, we are actually putting two 16 squares next to each other for 5 variables. Okay, and what is important is, let's say we have got A, B, C, D, and E as 5 variables. A on the first one it equals 0, and on the second one it is equals 1. Then you can write the rest as like a 4-variable map. Okay, and you can have all the minterms like we have got it in the 4-variable map. Starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then 16 goes to the next one because A is 1 over there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31. So we have got 32 minterms in total. Now, how can we make the combinations? Now, this is important. Like we have done with the 4-variable, we can still apply that. But these two are looking like one of them is sitting on top of the other one. Okay? So if we have got a same, let's change the color. If you have got one on both over there, or maybe on both, okay, what you can do is you can do a combination like this. As they are sitting one top of the other one, you can actually do an adjacent combination like that. That is also valid. Okay, so like we were doing these two, you can do that. You can do the corners. And the good thing about the 5-variable, you can actually have on two different ones as well. A is changing at those points. So let's see the example. So 5-variable map, we need two 16s. Minterms are given to us. A is equals 0, A is equals 1, B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E. So minterm 1, minterm 4, minterm 5. Oh, we also have 0, sorry. Minterm 15, minterm 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 28, 30, and 31. Now these are included and rest are just zeros. So SOP form of this, I can have a combination of these four, where A is 0, which is not changing. We don't have the same ones on the adjacent. And B is 0 and D is 0. So A prime, B prime, D prime. Then I can have these four, which is going to be A is 1, it's B prime, C, and then I can have these four, the green ones. Again, it's A, the B is 1, and its E is 0. Now, this one can be combined with this one, as this is the only adjacent. So this is going to give us A is changing, B, C, D, and E, where this position is. So F can be written all together A prime, B prime, D prime, or A, B prime, C, or A, B, E prime, or B, C, D, and E.